Hello friends, welcome to a new video. Today in this video I'm going to show how to create Google Meet link in laptop. Open a browser and type here Google Meet. Open the first link meet.google.com. When you first enter, they will ask you to log in. First of all, you have to log in. I'm already logged in, so I don't want to log in now. You will be logged in with your Gmail ID. We can join a meeting directly from any meeting link from here. We can create a new meeting from this button. Here we can make a meeting by 3 ways. We can make a meeting for later. We can start an instant meeting from here, and also we can schedule a meeting by clicking here. Let's make a meeting link by clicking on it. Meeting link has been created. Copy it, and then we can share the link in WhatsApp and any other social media. That is how we can create Google Meet link in laptop. Hope this video was helpful for you. See you in the next video. Thanks for staying with 5 Minute Solution.